on the matter of the China Sea or West Philippine Sea. We will stick to our claim. We do not bargain anything there. We continue to insist that it's ours and that the tribunal, international decision will be taken up, and but there will be no hard impositions. We will talk, and we will maybe paraphrase everything in the judgment and set the limits of our territories, the special economic zones. It will be no bargaining there. It is ours, and many of you are just wanting to ask the question. That is it. No bargaining of our territories. Whether within the 12 or to the 200, it will remain a special concern. And I will be very careful not to bargain anything, for after all, I cannot give what is not mine, and which I am not empowered to do by any stretch of imagination.